Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a phone from the Bluetooth Sony system in the Ford Fiesta. From any screen, phone buttons here, click phone, click BT, which is the second button in. It's showing the list of phones there. That's the one I want to delete, Barry's phone, so I just use this to, as you can see, you can go up or down there. Then you've got the 4 buttons along the bottom: add, delete, connect or master. Delete is second, so I want to delete that, and then yes is the first one. So that's that gone.